In this video, we will learn about switch statements in C++. A switch statement is another type of conditional statement that allows us to control the flow of program execution. For this example, let's start off with an int variable x that we assign a value of 2. Next, we type the word switch. Inside of a pair of parentheses goes the condition we want to check, which in this case will be the value of x. In the case that x is 1, we will output x is 1 to the console, and then break from the switch statement. In the case that x is 2, we will output x is 2 to the console, and then break from the switch statement. Note that each of these is called a case statement, and at the end of each we need to use the break keyword to exit from the switch statement. When we run the code, notice that x is 2 is output to the console, since the variable x is holding a value of 2. For this next example, let's change the value of x to 5. Similar to how an else statement functions in an if, else code block, we can use the default keyword at the bottom of a switch statement, which will be executed if none of the case statements above it were hit. Let's add a default at the bottom of our switch statement that will print out default code hit to the console, and then break from the switch statement. When we run the code, notice that default code hit was output to the console.